Hi everybody. So today I'm not really doing a tutorial. I'm showing you some earrings that you can make using the filigree template set that I've showed you, the 120 piece kit from Amazon, from a shop called Panda Hall. Now I've used this in many of my DIYs, many different types of templates. This is just a pair of earrings using nail polish, copper colored nail polish to paint them. Dries really fast, looked better than the copper paint, so I chose the copper nail polish. Those are orange acrylic gemstones, and those are orange glass beads that I had already to match. So I used my brass findings because this was originally brass colored, as you know, the 120 piece filigree set came in. And so I had brass findings which blended nicely. I have the brass earring hooks and the brass jump rings, and then I also had brass head pins which I used for the beads. And the jump rings are 4 millimeter brass ones, and I've got everything at Hobby Lobby, but the only thing I didn't get at Hobby Lobby was the filigree templates, and that I picked up at Amazon, and it's from the Panda Hall shops. And the link will be below in this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the bell for future notifications. Check out my Facebook and follow me there as well to see my videos. So this is just another idea that you can do. It's very simple. You glue them, use E6000 glue for the acrylic gemstones. They come in many different colors, sizes, and shapes. And I really like it. It's very easy, it's very fast and affordable to make. So I hope you're enjoying all my tutorials, including this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.